Ladies and gentlemen, the participation in higher education in this country, the participation of people in higher education is lower than countries such as Botswana and others. So the idea is to increase the number of people that go through our universities. Ipso facto, this is why we are approving universities that want to do decent education. I'm the founding vice chancellor of the Zimbabwe Open University. The reason we started that institution was that the only university that was in existence at that time was requiring 15 points. Who said 15 points is a predictive validity that this person will achieve what is required? I mean, if you look at my O-level certificate from Butama, if I tell you that this person eventually had a PhD from the top institution globally, you will say you're lying. So we want to increase the participation rates of our people in higher education. You notice the A-level system is an anachronism. It's something that we inherited from the British system. It's not useful for us. I mean, if you look at O-level, the majority of our kids who pass O-level don't have the ability to go to Form 5 and Form 6. Who said Form 5 and Form 6 is a predictive validity to go to university? If you go to the United States, there's no Form 5 and Form 6. If you go to a number of countries, there's no Form 5 and Form 6. So we are very interested in increasing the number of graduates in this country per capita. Because if you talk to the people that study the economy of this country, the more graduates we have, especially the more graduates we have with the kind of focus we are now putting on a heritage-based education 5.0, where students are taught and exposed on how to learn how to produce goods and services. When I finished my BA, I was taught that you apply for a job. Now we're telling them when you finish your BA, your BSc, or whatever degree you finish, you don't apply for a job. You say, how can I contribute to this economy that he's talking about? So that's a serious paradigm shift that we're now talking about. So the massification, we haven't massified our higher education. We are really on the path to that massification. For those of you that are familiar with the University of South Africa in down south, I was Dean of Education. When I left the Faculty of Education had 84,000 students, because we wanted to make sure that there are teachers in the schools that have got degrees and are qualified. So the issue of a massification of an higher education does not talk about an inferiority system. No, we have got mechanisms to ensure that the quality of our higher education compares favorably with the region and with globally as well.